Alright, Greg, you're up next, man. I owe you one of these 2012-13 Prime. There's the case. If you watched the video right before this on Brian's, I just threw the case, threw the die to see which case it would break out of, and this is the one. Giving birth. We caught a hanger. We caught a hanger, Sarge. There's 4. There's 5. Alright, 1 on top, 5 on bottom. Here we go. That's 6. 6 again. 5. Bottom 1. That will leave over box numbers 02. Make sure this is focused. 02, 23, Jordan, 12, and the last one is 49. Here we go. We have Plaxico. Plaxico Brez to $4.99. Paul Hornung. Plaxico again, 10 of 49. And Luke Kuechly, $1.99. The defensive rookie of the year. There you go. Luke Kuechly. Is that focused? There we go. So that will officially do it. I'll get these out with the ones we did earlier, Greg. See you, man.